Hello you all, we're getting started with creating a website for our blog. Like I already said, I don't use so many websites. I use just one, and that's WordPress. We have wordpress.com and wordpress.org. If you want to create your own personal website, you want to create it, not hosting it on another website, you want it to be on its own, you use wordpress.org. They've given that a leverage. But if you want it to be hosted on another website, use wordpress.com. And now if you're using wordpress.com, they can help you promote your stuff. But if you create a site on your own, you have to promote it all by yourself. But whichever one you choose, it's okay. But as a beginner, I will advise you to start wordpress.com. Then when you master everything that has to do with having your own website, you can then go to wordpress.org. But notwithstanding, if you want, you can still start with your own independent website platform. Some people just have their website without having to go through hosting it with any other platform. So anyone that works for you, consider it and get started as quickly as possible. The earlier you start, the earlier you can start making money. So let's go quickly. You type wordpress.com. We already have that here. Now you want to go to website and wordpress.com site. This is wix.com. We're not looking for wix.com. We're looking for wordpress.com. So we can actually click here, but let me go down and show you all the options that we have. So here we have wordpress.com. Now you can click on that, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so once you are done signing up with the site, it's going to lead you to something like that. First of all, it's going to ask you to select your domain name, domain name here. So you can easily select your domain name as you are signing up. So give your site a name. That is it. Once you are home, update your home page if you need to. They're only suggesting that. You won't be updating because you're just doing yours. So here you can customize your site. And now to customize your site, you have to come to the add menu section to customize your site. So quickly, what do you want to customize? Is it your site identity? Is it a color or background? This is my own color. I use the yellow gold, and I use the black. This is the menus. Whatever you want to do, you can do it on here. So site identity, this is where I have my logo. This is what I'm using as my logo, as a welcome for anyone that comes on board. They have not created something like a more formal logo, but this is what I use as a logo for now. Site title, this is the title of my site. So if you Google Absolute Woman, you're gonna see me. And tagline, who are you intending to reach with your blog? I'm trying to reach as many women as possible. So that is it for this. Once you are done setting this up, confirm your email address. This is just for double security check. Excuse me. Now try the WordPress app. If you don't have the app on your phone, WordPress will suggest to you to download the app. I already have the app on my phone. So here, launch your site to the world. Now your site is ready. You can launch. Once your home is done, you can launch your site. Even without doing your home, you can launch your site, start updating and start posting content while you keep working. Because one thing with the site, it's never perfectly done, and that's why every time you see your game and all of that, they keep telling you to upgrade. So you keep upgrading your stuff, keep making it better and better. It can never be completely perfect, but you can continue to work on it. So here, if you feel like upgrading your plan, they have basic plan, they have premium plan, they have basic plan. But these, of course, they are paid for. So anyone you want to do, which part of your plans do you want to upgrade? Is it the domain, email, make purchases? These are all the stuff that you see here. You also have, if you get an inbox, it's gonna appear here. Now all the posts you ever have to create, they're all gonna appear here. So here, all your posts, here is add new, here is categories, and here is tag. So if you want to add new post, you're gonna have a blank page. So here you add the title of whatever it's gonna be. And here you're gonna type, and to also choose the blog, you can come on here. These are so many functions. If you're adding a paragraph to your text, if you're adding an image, if you're adding a cover, if you're adding a list, if you're adding a gallery, if you're adding a heading, all the stuff. Or if what you want is not here but you feel like you need to add something, you can search for it, and so on and so forth. Then one thing that is necessary always, if you're done editing your work, preview help you see how every other person that comes on your site will see how it really looks. And when you're done, you click on publish. So that is it. Here this plus is the same as this plus on here. So if you don't see it somewhere down here, you definitely see up. If you're using your phone, you still definitely see this plus, and that's where you can actually work on customizing everything you need to customize. So after posts, you can go to media. Media is every image you have ever used on your blog post. They're all gonna appear. Every image you've ever used, they're all gonna just be saved on your media. So these are like the stuff that I have used. So those are all the stuff you can see on my page. So these are the pages that you have. What pages do you have? This is my home page, of which if you finish setting your home page, it's gonna be here. This is Absolute Stylish Girl. That's where I sell ladies stuff. Absolute Fashion Men, where I sell men stuff. This is my contacts for those that wish to reach out to me. Then how to teach your child, how you can change the world through education. These are all my stuffs. Contact. This is the about of my page. So once you want to create a page, you just click on it, see the option of add new page. So even if you're with your phone, it's gonna actually show you these, and then you start working on it. Let me view my page so that some of you can see what it looks like. So this is my page, my fashion page for women. Now here, shop now. If you want to buy my products, you just write something about what you have, and then people can actually come on board, view your content. Once they Google anything that, if someone Googles anything that has to do with skin tone, your images actually pop up on Google. So it can actually be as a distraction to make them to buy shirts. Maybe meanwhile they were just looking for love and all of that. So that's how it is on here. This is desktop view. If you want, we can also view for phone. This is how it looks like on the phone. So all of this stuff, this is just how it is. Try and get started and let us see what you want to do. So comments, once I have comments, they're gonna appear. Feedbacks, when I have feedbacks, will be there. Jetpacks, appearance, plugins. Now these are plugins that you can have in your site. Now WooCommerce is good if you're selling stuffs on your site, because WooCommerce helps you to WooCommerce is a site that sells stuff, so they actually help to promote your content for your product for you. So if you actually need to sell items, you might want to add a WooCommerce plugin. But before you can add any of the plugins, you have to upgrade to a business plan. Can you see that? So it is not free. So while you're starting, you just focus on getting used to the content of the site before you can start making payments. So that, because all these payments, of course, you know, they have expiry time, so your money doesn't get expired when you have not even used it. So you want to make sure you're used to the site and how it works. Then you can now opt in for a paid plan, so that you can maximize everything that your money was. So this is Affiliate X. Create a professional looking affiliate website with high. So if you want to focus on affiliate marketing, you can decide to use this plug-in. So that is it for all of these. So whatever your content, your blog is gonna be like, you might want to, this is just a contact form plugin. So this one can be so that once people come in your site, you want to collect their contact details, this form is gonna actually pop up. So when you have users, it's gonna be here, all your users, and you can actually add new users. These are your tools, the marketing tools, and import export. And this is setting, where you get to set stuffs on your page. And then the last one we'll have just down there below. My site is called, for those that are just starting, I don't need that. So that is the basics with starting up with affiliate marketing. So you can decide to go on and see all you have. So these are my published pages. I think I've shown you all the stuffs. These are my published pages. Let me see how you can make money as a beginner. So this is one of my published pages. So this is on the internet. If you search it, you can actually find it. So you create your stuff, make it as nice as possible. These are actually links. These are videos that are on my website, yeah, but this is linked from YouTube. So you can actually do this. If I have to go through all this, our video is going to be like 1 hour on how you can connect from YouTube to your website. So but whatever you choose to do, anyone that's best for you, you can decide. These ones are just images showing you the same thing. And if you're an affiliate marketer, this image can also be linked. So that is all of it. So that's it for this site. So this one is another stuff I have on here, how I make money blogging. If you want to watch it, click, it's gonna direct you to YouTube and all of that. So once you're done creating stuff like this, your website is ready. You don't have to spend so much time decorating for now. Do the basics you can do, start uploading content. You don't want people coming to your page to see a blank page. No, you want people coming to see something that's really, really cool. So that is it basically. If you have questions, you can let me know your questions. If you have anything you want to ask, also let me know. So this is how it is. So even when it's on your phone too, you're gonna see it. I'm gonna screenshot my phone to show you how some of this stuff looks and how you can start, working on around this. This is actually a long video and I don't know what I can do to make it short. So see you all tomorrow's class. Let me know your questions, leave all of them down below. Thank you. Bye.